How to practice in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can equip practice and practice on your own. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, simply tap on this modes icon. So here there are different modes that you can select from. Here on the left, you can see this practice button. Simply tap on practice, and here there are different practice mode that you can select from. So here I'm tapping on one, and here you can even select the character and you can start the game. So here simply select the character, tap on next, and then the game will be started. Here you can practice and even develop your different skills in the game. So it is quite useful because you'll be alone and you'll be able to explore the game more. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.